So we're out here at the Seedz Brewery up in Union Pier, Michigan.
Yay! We got out of the city!
Yeah.
We're on an adventure!
So we're about to go out, head on in, try a couple beers, and see how this place is. It just recently opened up.
Yep, currently we're in the state of Michigan, so they are allowing a 25% capacity for their indoor operations. And of course you leave your mask on until you're actively eating or drinking. And but let's go in and go check out how it is. This brewery is actually owned and operated by Matt's cousin, Ryan. So we are gonna go in and see some of our family members and have some good brews at the same time. Let's go check it out. Sweet.
Talk to your sister. Did you?
So like underneath here, that's all tile. It's like textured tile too. Like I know I'm getting really detailed, but like it is really textured and so cool. And like the reclaimed wood bar. I really dig this flooring. Look at it, cool. And this is actually where the restrooms are, just off the side of the bar. Really cool. Are you a cheeser? Yeah, you're a cheeser. Cheesy beezy. I already cheesed you, baby. Like, what are you eating? Are you eating cereal?
Cereal?
Yeah, you're having some cereal.
What are you gonna do?
Ooh, what do you got there?
This is a
Kind of dish.
miles, I think.
What's the name of it? What's number?
Number 4.
Number 4. Let me see if I can't focus in on that. Ooh. The number 4 is called Old and Wise. It is a Saison.
Too bad you can't have any.
I know I can't have any, but how is it?
It's good.
You like it so far?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a Saison, so it's kind of soury, right?
A little bit, but not overpowering. Like, it's really, really nice. Don't get me wrong. That strawberry one he made for our wedding was phenomenal.
Strawberry tequila. That thing was super good. Oh no, did we drop some? It's okay.
You want goldfish or you want this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we have goldfish there?
Yeah.
So it looks really nice in here.
Yeah.
A little overview. You can get the lighting. Yeah. It's super great. The lighting is super chill. Of course, it's a really bright day out here. Looks great.
I get it, Mama.
Yeah, there's an echo in here. Definitely. So it's really nice in here. I really like it. It's nice and bright during the day. I'm certain at night the lighting is going to be real chill and like a nice spot for it. Thank you, baby. But I still have my mask on because that's what I do when we're out and about unless I'm actively eating or drinking. So we are just enjoying ourselves here at Seedz Brewery, and it's been pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. This is my first beer. I'm not going to drink that much. So overall, my first beer here is excellent. This is a Seedz. So it's got a little soury, but it's pretty damn good.
These are some of his broken bats.
Oh wow!
That's really cool.
So what he did is he put them together and
Turn them into a
like a coat rack.
That's
So
awesome.
Ryan needs some kind of a coat rack in there for his employees. So
Yeah.
this would be perfect, right? So he mounts it in there. So I grabbed the one and he just glued them. So I had to go back and pre-drill them and put screws in there to hold them. Yeah, Ryan's the RPU Buffalo Ice from 2013.
Awesome.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's different, huh?
Yeah.
Kind of Dutch. This is a Pilsner. It's about 5%. Pretty damn good.
Yeah.
I'm very rare at drinking Pilsners, but this is actually really, really good. And you can see it's got a nice little clarity in there.
Really pretty.
Yeah. Our son thought it was orange juice.
He did. He tried to grab it. We're like, oh no.
No, no, this is Daddy's orange juice, adult orange juice.
And we need to say that the earlier beer that you had was actually
Actually, that was a American lager.
it was Mitten Life is what it was called.
Yeah, so but that one I think is pretty good.
Yeah.
So I'm probably gonna have this one, maybe one more, and then I'm done for today.
Yeah, because these are really big beers also.
Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty massive, but I like it. It's nice little. It's nice little. It's got a little mug handle to it, so you're not just like holding it like this.
Right.
So this way your hand doesn't get cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty great. Got some music on. Little man's got his water.
Dancing.
Are you dancing?
Dancing.
I don't know what he's saying.
Dancing.
He's just being silly. All of our stuff on our table.
Okay.
We are having a great time here at Seedz. We met up with some people that we haven't seen in a very long time due to COVID, and we've been able to catch up. And Matt's having some pretty great beers for people who are here who are not into drinking alcohol. They do have Topo Chico and water, and a couple of the non-alcoholic beverages that they offer for the designated drivers, or just people don't want to imbibe. There's still stuff here for that. They are ever evolving and changing, so they're offering new things every once in a while. They're adding to the location all the time, so I highly recommend stopping in often to see what's new and what's going on. I really like this place so far. This is Matt's cousin Ryan got this all together. This is his baby, and he has done a really fantastic job. I couldn't be more proud of him. Like, it's beautiful in here. The beer is apparently pretty good. I haven't been able to taste it for obvious reasons of, carrying a baby. But we've heard nothing but great things. So this has been nice. It's nice to get out of the house too.
I was telling my cousin who makes this. This actually has a little bit more flavor than the fisticuffs at Up and Down.
That's one of my favorite beers.
It has a nice lingering aftertaste.
Oh,
That's what I like about this one. Nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong about fisticuffs from Buckle Down, but this is actually pretty very good. And I'm not a Pilsner person at all. I'm more of a lager, Hazan,
he likes to go for the Hefeweizens more than anything else.
Hefeweizen. I'm a cider man.
He likes them sweet.
Yep.
Maybe that's why you like me.
Yeah.
Where are you going? We are about to head out from our micro adventure here in Union Pier in Michigan. I forgot where we were. But we are going to head out now and make our way back to Chicago. We might stop and get some lunch. I don't know. It's still a bit early. We got here right at noon, and it's probably about 1 o'clock now. So we stayed here about an hour or so, had a couple beers, kind of hung out, and checked out the wonderful bar. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us doing this. And we'll do a proper outro in just a moment.
That was our time at the Seedz Brewery here up in Union Pier, Michigan.
That was super awesome. It is so pretty inside.
I had 2 beers.
I had a really great time. They don't have a ton of selection for non-alcoholic stuff, so it's Topo Chico and water and stuff like that, but it's still really beautiful in there and a really chill vibe.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to come back and try some beer after the baby.
Yes, definitely.
But it was fun seeing some family members and just having a really good time.
Yeah, we had a great time. And the place is beautiful. The tables are great.
Yeah.
There are unique chairs. There's even a table in there with some buffalo nickels.
Yeah. It's really interesting because all the tables are different and unique. And it was really nice just kind of hanging out for a little while in some place that isn't our house.
Yeah, and his unique tapping system,
those taps are beautiful.
His countertop to his main area is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a great place. So if you're driving through Michigan and deciding, hey, I want a beer, head on over to Union Pier and get off over here to Seedz Brewery. We'll go ahead and link a description below of the location and everything and his operating hours. And yeah.
So we'll see you guys on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.